Africa is the largest of the 3 continents in the southern hemisphere and the second largest after Asia of all continents. Africa is the largest of the 3 continents in the southern hemisphere and the second largest after Asia of all continents. Its area is approximately 192 km², including its surrounding islands, covering 20.3% of the Earth's total land area and is home to over 800 million people, or about 1/7 of the world's human population. Separated from Europe by the Mediterranean Sea, Africa is joined to Asia at its northeastern end by the 130-kilometer-wide Suez Canal. The Sinai Peninsula, which is part of Egypt, is often considered geopolitically part of Africa. From the northernmost tip, Cape Spartel in Morocco, at 37 to 21 north latitude, to the southernmost tip, Cape Agulhas in South Africa, 15 south latitude, it stretches a distance of about 8,000 km. From the westernmost tip, Cape Verde, 130 west longitude, to the easternmost tip, Ras Hafun in Somalia, east longitude, it stretches about 7,400 km. The coastline is 26,000 km. For comparison, Europe, which has an area of 9,700,000 km, has a coastline of 32,000 km. Nile edit. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. The river flows into the Mediterranean Sea in northeastern Africa. Ancient Egypt was one of the world's first great civilizations, which developed along the mighty Nile River more than 5,000 years ago. To this day, magnificent pyramids still tower over the country. Sahara edit. The Sahara is the world's largest desert, covering a vast swath of land across northern Africa. The desert stretches from the Atlantic Ocean in the west to the Red Sea in the east. The Sahara covers 1/4 of the entire continent. Most of the Sahara is hot, dry, and empty. Since ancient times, humans have used camels to carry goods. Across the vast desert, Kilimanjaro edit. Africa's highest mountain range is found in the towering Eastern Range. Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest mountain, is located in East-Central Africa. Kilimanjaro is an active volcano that has an elevation of 9,341 feet, 5,095 meters. Africa is the largest and second most populous continent in the world after Asia, with an area of Diemen, Hanior Kadakal, the 24,157, including adjacent islands. Africa covers 20.3% of the total land area of the Earth, with a population of 1.4 billion people. Yemston as of 2021. The continent accounts for about 16% of the world's human population. It is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Isthmus of Suez and the Red Sea to the northeast, the Indian Ocean to the southeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. This continent includes the territory of Madagascar and various surrounding islands. The continent contains 54 fully recognized sovereign states, 9 territories and 2 countries with limited recognition or no de facto independence. The majority of the continent and its countries are in the northern hemisphere, with the largest and most numerous countries in the southern hemisphere. The population of Africa is the youngest of all continents. The median age in 2012 was 19.7, when the worldwide median age was 30.4. Algeria is Africa's largest country by area, and Nigeria is its most populous country. Africa, particularly Central East Africa, is widely accepted as the origin of humans and the hominidae, great ape, clade, as evidenced by the discovery of the earliest hominids and their ancestors, as well as later ones that have been dated to about 7 million years ago, including Sahelanthropus chidensis, Australopithecus africanus, A. afarensis, Homo erectus, H. habilis, and H. ergaster. The earliest Homo sapiens, modern humans, were found in Ethiopia, around 200,000 years ago. Africa straddles the equator and encompasses many climatic regions. It is the only continent that extends from the northern, temperate zone to the southern, temperate zone. Africa hosts a great diversity of human ethnicities, cultures, and languages. In the late 19th century, European nations colonized almost all of Africa. Most African countries emerged from the process of decolonization. In the 20th century, African countries cooperate through the formation of the African Union, headquartered in Addis Ababa. The word Africa comes from the Latin Afrika Terra, land of Afri, plural of Afer. Then, to denote the northern part of the continent, now part of Tunisia, where the Roman province of Africa was located. The origin of the word Afer may be from the Phoenician, afar meaning dust, or from the Afridi tribe, who inhabited the northern part of the continent near Carthage, or from the Greek Afrike meaning without cold, or from the Latin Africa meaning bright. Africa is the earliest human habitation. From this continent, humans then spread to other continents. Africa is the place where the evolutionary line of apes diverged from proto-humans. 7 million years ago, Africa was the only continent inhabited by human ancestors, until about 2 million years ago when Homo erectus expanded out of Africa into Europe and Asia. Over the next 1.5 million years, the populations of the 3 continents followed different evolutions, so that they became different species. Those in Europe became Neanderthals. Those in Asia remained Homo erectus. But those in Africa evolved into Homo sapiens.